Today we're going to draw this cute, colorful rainbow. I'm starting by drawing the clouds first. These are curved lines, all connected together. Now let's do the other cloud. It looks a little bit like popcorn, doesn't it? And now let's give the cloud a happy face. Oh, the cloud is sleeping. 2 oval shapes for the cheeks. Now let's do the same on the other side. 2 eyes, the 2 cheeks, and a smiling face. Wakey, wakey! Now I'm going to draw the arch lines. So this is just a curved line. Good. Okay. It's fine if your rainbow looks different to mine. All rainbows are beautiful. What's important is that you try your best and have fun. We're nearly finished drawing the lines. Okay, now let's outline our drawing with a thick black marker. Let's speed things up.
Let's color.
Now it's time for the best part. Let's color. The first color is pink, or in Italian, rosa.
Let's play a game, a happy sound.
Now the first arch we're gonna color red, or in Italian we say rosso.
Jump, jump, jump like a bouncy
First I'm
ball.
doing the lines around the border, and then we're gonna fill in the middle part.
Twirl, twirl, twirl.
Hi friends, stick around to learn colors together with me, Bo Bunny.
Happy sound all over town.
The next color after red is orange. In Italian we say arancione. Again I'm doing the border lines first and then coloring in the middle.
Jump, jump, jump like a
Do you know what the next color is?
Higher and higher.
It's yellow. In Italian we say giallo. This is a lovely bright yellow color. I love it. The next color is green. In Italian, the color is verde.
And get ready for the big surprise.
Wow, look at these pretty colors. This last color is blue. Or in Italian we say blue, but without the E. We're nearly finished. Great!
Let's learn colors together. This color is pink. Can you say pink? Great! Let's say it again. Pink. Pink in Italian is rosa. Let's say it again. Rosa. Perfetto. This is a pink pig. Questo è un maiale rosa. This color is red. Can you say red? Great! Let's say it again. Red. Red in Italian is rosso. Let's say it again. Rosso. Ottimo! This is a red strawberry. Questa è una fragola rossa. This color is orange. Can you say orange? Well done! Let's say it again. Orange. Orange in Italian is arancione. Let's say it again. Arancione. Ben fatto! This is an orange carrot. Questa è una carota arancione. Let's see what is the next color. This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Great! Let's say it again. Yellow. Yellow in Italian is giallo. Let's say it again. Giallo. Perfetto! This is a yellow sun. Questo è un sole giallo. This color is green. Can you say green? Great! Let's say it again. Green. Green in Italian is verde. Let's say it again. Verde. Perfetto! This is a green tree. Questo è un albero verde. Let's see what the next color is. This color is blue. Can you say blue? Great! Let's say it again. Blue. Blue in Italian is blue. Let's say it again. Blue. Ottimo! This is a blue car. Questa è una macchina blu. Well, friends, that's all for now. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe for more fun bilingual drawing tutorials for kids. See you in the next video. Bye!